Hello everyone, this is Uplabdhi from the Uplabdhi Oracle, and the title of this reading is What Darkness or Limitation is Leaving My Life Now. This is a special Diwali reading. So, yeah, what darkness or limitation is leaving the life of whoever is listening to this reading now. Okay, we have three cards, okay, so let's see. So, we have Four of Wands, we have Seven of Cups, and Six of Wands. I feel you have walked through shadows, confusion, or self doubt, but the light is returning now. The darkness that once clouded your vision is fading, and these cards are your confirmation that your energy, your effort, and your faith are finally aligning. Okay, the first card, Four of Wands, representing the fire energy and Aries. So the card says, Be ready for the opportunity you have worked for. The Four of Wands is a card of stability, foundation, and joyful milestones. The darkness leaving your life here is instability and self doubt. That feeling that your hard work isn't leading anywhere and that your efforts are going unnoticed. Let me just a second. Here. So, the Aries energy, in my opinion, shows the fire of initiative. You planted the seeds, took the risk, and worked when no one was watching. Now the universe is saying it's time to celebrate how far you have come. You are moving out of a phase of over efforting and into a space of receiving results. The darkness of not knowing when it'll all pay off is leaving, and the light of stability and new opportunity is entering. For some, this can also signify a homecoming, community recognition, and the manifestation of a project or passion that finally finds you. So, your message for this card, I feel, is that your struggle phase is over. Prepare for your breakthrough, and you have earned this celebration. Okay, so now your second card, which is Seven of Cups, is channeling water energy and Scorpio. So the card says step back from everything to gain perspective here. So the Seven of Card represents illusion, emotional overwhelm, and indecision. The card reveals that the limitation leaving your life is confusion and scattered energy. For a while, you have been chasing too many dreams or trying to find clarity through chaos, unsure which path was right, which person was trustworthy, and what your next step should be. Scorpio's depth shows that you have done emotional detox work. You have faced your own shadows, illusions, and fears, and now you're learning to see clearly through your intuition, not your anxiety. Okay, I feel this anxious energy about this future, and I feel you are leaving this behind this Diwali. So the card's message is almost like a deep breath. You no longer need to chase every possibility. You now know which path feels aligned to you. Okay? The fog is clearing, and you're no longer lost in confusion. You see what truly matters to you. Okay? You have stopped people pleasing, I feel. So yeah, that's a very very good sign. So now the third card, which is Six of Wands, which represents the fire energy and Leo, and the card says you have earned every one of your successes. Amazing. So the Six of Wands is triumph, recognition, and self assurance. The darkness leaving in this card is self doubt, imposter syndrome, or invisibility. The Leo energy radiates confidence, the kind that comes not from ego but from knowing you have overcome challenges and are ready to shine. If you have been underestimating your worth or hiding your light, this card says the world is ready to see you now and you're ready to be seen. Okay, this isn't about luck, it's about earning your spotlight through consistent passion, integrity, and resilience. The universe is aligning circumstances that finally validate your inner growth with outer success. Your message is You are stepping into your power and you are proud of what you have overcome, okay, and what you have overcome and become. So that's a very good energy. So overall energy of this reading is, first of all, it's fire and water balanced in my opinion. Although there are two fire cards and one water card, but I feel this spread is very balanced between fire and water, between action and emotion, confidence and depth, movement and reflection. The darkness leaving your life is the inner conflict between your heart and your drive, that push and pull between wanting to do it all and not knowing what truly aligns. You are now stepping into a phase of balanced passion, a life where your emotions no longer drown your life, no longer drown your fire, and your ambition no longer burns out your sensitivity, okay. You are balancing both fire and water, you're balancing both masculine and feminine energy in you. This message in Diwali for you is just amazing in my opinion. So now the final message I would like to give is, the storm has passed, the confusion, the waiting, the feeling that your time hasn't come, it's all dissolving. You have earned, you have learned your lessons, you have done your healing, you have done your work, and now you're stepping into a season of clarity, recognition, and divine timing. So I feel your affirmation for this reading is, I release confusion, fear, and doubt. I'm ready to receive joy, celebration, and the success I have worked for. The light has returned and I am ready to shine. Okay? This was your special message for this Diwali. What darkness or limitation is leaving your life now? So, if this message has resonated with you, you can like, share, subscribe, and please comment down below how this message has resonated with you. Till then, this is Uplabdhi from the Uplabdhi Oracle. I would like to see you again in my next reading. Till then, bye bye.